MIMIC has organized an automation, safety, and maintenance exhibition in Ambernath. This is the first of this kind of exhibition in this area. It's a remote area. The productscapes are very specialized products which are generally being manufactured by anybody else. The products are like, say, lamps for submarines, then the warning devices for frigates, then the lamps or warning devices which are being used by missiles truckloads. Many automation and safety products are being used which are also useful in railways. In this exhibition, also we have kept the explosive area, that is zone 0, zone 1 and zone 2 area products like flame-proof ACs, flame-proof computers, flame-proof fans. These are the specialized products also we have kept. Also, we have kept the products like remote controlled heaters, which are being generally used by the railways for warning the persons on the track. These also remote controls are being used in the big hotels where the warnings of the thieves or the lepers are being given.
First of its kind globally, and its speciality is that you can take small modules and put them into like this. You can take any box. We sell empty box, and we sell small parts which can interconnect into the box, and you can make like a Lego blocks. You can make whatever comes to your imagination. Now, what is the difference between this and what everybody else in the world does? Typically, everybody dreams that you can make something that is so customized to a customer's need, and yet it is standard at the factory end, totally custom to the customer end. And when you micro modularize to this level, you are able to tailor an application to fit the application so well that you almost feel it is your own design. And that, compared to other systems that other people make, it reduces the footprint of the product by, normally it comes down to about 30%. So if somebody, larger company or any company is making a standard product, this will be 30% of the footprint, means it needs only 30% of the parts, and typically 30 to 40% of the overall cost. So it's a very cost effective system for the customer. At the same time, he gets exactly what he wants. This replaces standard fixed I/O systems, it replaces modular systems, and it replaces people who make specialized equipment. So there are a lot of things that people become dependent on or have to pay a lot more for. Now what we have patented is the technique to do this. Everybody dreams, every large company or big player in the world dreams of creating a system like this. But the way to create it is what has been patented. Okay? It's not that this has not been thought of. Nobody has been able to accomplish the result. That is the difference. And therefore now it's patented in USA. We have part of the patent has been approved in Europe, part of it is still going on. Patent in Taiwan, of course in India. And in the marketplace is a game-changing product. So once a person adopts this product, it's very difficult to go back to something else. Once adopted, a customer cannot change back to another company's product because it fits the application so well. So, and it comes in various different modules. You have a small 2-module product. You have, so this is typically, this is one small block, and you can put it, even a box like this, you can link just the display. You can put, everything is replaceable. Since the box is empty, you can change the front screen. You can make it graphic, you can make it text, you can make it alphanumeric. You need not put any front. You can put the PLC at the back, you can put a cable and only have the display outside. And it comes in various sizes, and then with these sizes that are there, you can multiply them. That means you can have a system of 200, 300 IOs which can be multiplied. Plus it has IoT built in. So you can do Ethernet, Wi-Fi. Now GSM will become possible. So and on Ethernet it can do a fast application. So while this looks small, but it is as powerful as a Siemens product in terms of speed. So it's not only a small product, it's got a very fast operating capability. So this is in itself becoming popular now because people have seen the power of this.
Connectwell is into manufacturing of terminal blocks and for electronics products like stream relays, SMPS and modular relays. And first of all, I will explain our recent product launch. First of all, this modular relay. This modular relay we have a range of 8 pin and 14 pin, 2 changeover and 14 pin, 4 changeover in all ranges from 12 volts to 30 volt AC. From we have these all ranges. The feature of this product is in this we can use pin type of plug. In market you have to buy a separate line that is 4 type, which increase your warehouse stock also. For easy method and for easy installation, you can use pin type in both terminal also and model level also. This can benefit your stock maintenance in your factory also. Secondly, this is manufactured with the V0 material. This is a V0 material. In market, nobody manufactures with the V0 material of base. The base is a V0 material. V0 means if the panel catches any fire, it has a self-extinguisher of capability which stand within 10 seconds.
Hello, my name is Harish Alwani. I'm director of Ash Controls Private Limited. We are an instrumentation and automation products manufacturing company based in Mumbai. We manufacture the products that are displayed here are all the safety related instruments such as the static power transfer switches, the static grounding systems, the fan monitoring units, various kinds of signal conditioners, signal isolators, transducers. We also are into gas monitoring units. We manufacture multi-channel gas monitors and single-channel gas monitors. A lot of flame-proof instruments, loop-powered indicators, and some specialty instruments such as temperature scanners, flow totalizers, batch controllers, pH conductivity instruments, power supplies, diode ORing modules. There's a very wide range of products which you can see on our website, ashcontrols.com. We are here to display at the Ambernath exhibition, and so far the response has been very good, very encouraging today. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. As you know, we Banner Engineering India Limited, we have participated in the exhibition. So I want to explain about the Banner Engineering company. We Banner Engineering, it's a US based company, and we are 55 years old company, and we have more than 40,000 products. And as in products, we have so many of the category wise products, like sensors. Sensors we have like fiber optic sensors, photo sensors, fork type sensors, luminance sensors, color sensors, and many more. And we have an Ambernath category also. In that we have radar sensors and distance measurement sensors also, profile measurement sensors, array sensors we have. Then in lighting products we have machine illumination lights, dome indicator types lights, and also power light also we have. And also we have solutions for Pictolite and Pictolite solution also for storage management, warehouse management. Apart from that, we have safety products also. Like in safety products, we have safety light curtain, safety emergency stop button, safety laser scanner, which are used for robotics area guarding, and also we have like safety magnetic switches, RFID switches, safety controllers, safety relays, and many more products. And apart from that, we have another category of products like we have the wireless products also. In wireless products, theoretically we can go up to the 2 kilometer distance with the without wire. And apart from that, we have wireless sensors also like wireless vibration sensors, wireless photo sensors, and wireless temperature and temperature and humidity measurement sensors. And apart from wireless, we are also having the snap signaling. That is, we can say industry for industry 4.0. We have small connectors also like analog to Modbus converter, analog to IO-Link converters. So like that, we are providing in Snapchat, we are providing complete solutions which can be used also in the existing sensor also. So thank you.
Hi, I am Himal Mehta.
Hi, I'm Praful Mehta.
We are directors from Fluidtech Pneumatics Private Limited. Our company is 36 years old. So he started the company manufacturing solenoid valves. And today we have a wide range of products. As you can see behind that we are manufacturing right from solenoid valves to pneumatic cylinders, actuators, ball valves, butterfly, and our most flagship product that is knife gate valve. We do valve and valve automation. We are a one-stop solution. So very few companies you will find in India that are manufacturing valves as well as automation products. We are one of them. So the customers do not have to depend on various vendors. They find all the quality, delivery, and prices at our under one roof, that is Fluidtech. We believe in making things right the first time. So our prime focus is always on delivering good quality. That is the reason we have been registered vendor to nuclear power, BRC, BHEL for more than 3 decades now.
Railways also.
We are supplying to railways. We were a part of a very prestigious project with the railways, which prevents collision. So when two trains are coming on the same rail into opposite directions, then automatically the brakes are applied. So we are very proud of it. It was a very prestigious project for us. And till date, I mean, we are increasing in terms of size. We have recently renovated our factory with modern facilities. We have got CNC machines with us now, and yeah, we are expanding our horizons. And we look forward to this good exhibition that Anand sir has organized with their product, and we look forward to doing a joint project with them, with Mr. Anand. Yeah, so that's it with Fluidtech.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Hi, my name is Amit Sawant. Today I visited the whole exhibition which is organized by MIMIC, and I came to know MIMIC is having a very good range of products. Actually, we don't know MIMIC is in automation as well as as per my information, MIMIC is making only indicating lamps. But today I came to know MIMIC is having a very different range of products like safety product, lighting product, buzzers. So it is a very good range of products, and all the best to MIMIC and his team for this exhibition and for his growth. Thank you.